Hey, another big lesson today. Okay, so you want to cook up your tumbleweed because it's just in the way. But the thing you gotta remember is you can't cook your tumbleweed all at once because it'll just cook over. You get fire on your grass and that's no good. So what you want to do is you want to slowly break off pieces. See, I can cook a little bit of tumbleweed here. Manage it in the fire. Again, keep it in your pit. And you have a long night ahead of you, you'll get through your whole tumbleweed and you'll be okay. Anyways, that's all for this lesson. I'm sure it's all you needed. Happy camping.